food lovers, Mingalaba and welcome back. One of my favourite foods on the planet is the fruit durian. It's one of those foods that you either love or hate. And personally, I don't understand why anyone would hate it. I was in Bangkok recently and was at a fruit buffet that offered unlimited amounts of durian. I'll leave a link up there for my review of that. To me, these fruits are very precious, so you'll want to choose one that's ripe when you open it. You can tell a durian is ripe as cracks will appear along the seams of the shell. So if you choose a ripe fruit, opening one up should not be difficult as you can prise open the shell with your bare hands. In the following clips, I'll show you how the ladies working at the fruit buffet prepare the fruit for the customers. In this clip, you'll see that the lady is using a very sharp knife to open the durian. She has expert knife skills and has no problem in getting into the durian. However, the skill also lies in choosing a durian that's ripe and ready to eat in the first place. However, sometimes you can get unlucky and pick a fruit in which the fruits haven't properly developed, like here. She has better luck this time round and opens a durian with big fruits inside. And if you're wondering how durian tastes, the best way I can describe it is that it tastes like a sweet custard crossed with the creaminess of an avocado.
Beef, that is beef. Eating beef.
How's it taste?
That's great.
The phrase I'm going to teach you today is to say hello in Thai. So to say hello in Thai, you say sawadi. That's sawadi. But because Thai is a polite language, you need to add a bit at the end when you say hello to a person you've not met before or you're not familiar with. So if you're male, you say sawadi krap. That's sawadi krap. And if you're female, you say sawadi ka. That's sawadi ka. And that's how you say hello in Thai. So thanks for watching the video, guys. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, peace out.